Hello, it's Mrs. Blocks here. Fractions, part 1. What is a fraction? A fraction is a piece of a whole cake. So when I say fraction, there is a number on top of the line and another number at the bottom of the line. I will explain when we write what number. We call the top number the numerator and the bottom one the denominator. Now, if you know denominate, or they dominate the whole fraction, I'm going to explain later. Mother buy a whole piece of cake. Me and my friend wants to share this whole piece of cake, but these two pieces must be the same size, otherwise we're going to have a fight. So mother makes sure she shares it into two equal pieces. Now if you look carefully, can you see that piece is a piece of the whole cake. So mother took one whole cake and she divided into two pieces, and now this becomes a half. Numerator on top, denominator at the bottom. Divide with 2, the denominator will be 2. When I add these two fractions, I've got a 1/2 plus 1/2, and that gives me 2 halves. Can you see how the denominator is dominating the whole process? And that equals to one whole piece of cake. Next day, I have 3 friends at my home. So mother took the whole cake, she buys another cake, and now she must share the cake into 3 equal pieces. Especially, remember, the pieces must be the same size, otherwise there's going to be a fight. So, one whole cake, divide with 3 friends. One piece of cake will be 1/3. Divide with 3, the denominator is 3. So 1/3 plus another third makes how many thirds? 2/3. Can you see? The denominator stays the same, and I just plus 1 equals to 2. Now I add another 1/3, and this 1/3 plus this 1/3 is 2/3, plus another third will give me 3/3, and that equals to one whole piece of cake. As you see, the half is bigger than the third. The next day, mother said I can invite more friends. So now I'm going to invite another 3, including me, will be 4 friends at my home. Right, she must share it into 4 equal pieces. So 1 divide by my 4 friends will give me 1/4, but we don't say 1/4, we say 1/4. Denominator is the same, but 1/3 and 1/4 is not the same piece of cake. I've got 1/4 plus 1/4, that gives me 2 quarters, 2 of the same piece of cake. plus another quarter. That will give me 3 pieces of the same cake. Do you catch this? 1 plus 1 is 2, but it's 2 quarters. Plus 1, it's 3 quarters. Plus another 1 quarter will give me 4 quarters. And that 4 quarters makes a whole piece of cake. See you with the next video clip. Bye bye.